Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and in this video I'm going to explain you the difference of the verb to be and the verb to have. Let's start. So when we are going to use the verb to be or the verb to have? To be, we are going to use it in descriptions. For example, you are beautiful. With location, the pen is on the table. With profession, I'm a lawyer. Religion, I'm Catholic. Origin, she's from the UK. Age, we are 10 years old. With there is or there are, we are going to use the verb to be as an auxiliary verb. For example, I'm getting tired. This is in present continuous are here. You can find the verb to be working as an auxiliary verb. And in some expressions like I'm able to climb. We are going to use the verb to have for possession. She has a dog. For food and drinks. I have a hamburger for dinner. Descriptions. I have a big house. Expressions, I have fun, and as an auxiliary verb, for example, I have eaten pizza. This sentence is in the past, and here you can see the verb to have working as an auxiliary verb. In this exercise, you have to complete the sentences with the verb to be or the verb to have. And in this second exercise, you have to connect these answers to the questions. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.